much during the other video, so I gotta scream a little bit because the laptop I'm using it. I don't know. It's really hard to speak. Um, but today, welcome back to Gettysburg. I'm gonna say I got 3 new reinforcements that I'm trying to stop. I because this one skirmisher unit is not able to stop this much, so I gotta split up this chunky boy because I don't want the enemy to flank us, and we're trying to. I got a better idea. We're gonna make a fortification. We'll only use our units. I will only split our units to defend the northern flank, the central flank, which is right now in a terrible situation. I think so. So now let's do the thing. So there's like a river line which slows down the enemy advance. So this river line is very good for our victory because if you manage to secure a line over the river, if you manage to stop, because this river line is gonna stop the enemy and it's gonna make them have to go around it, which will be defended by another skirmisher unit, that guy, and also I'll grab my artillery and I will use this guy as also to defend this part. And also they can move up because they're trying to fight us. I think no one has yet crossed into the city yet, which I really hope so. So yeah. Our only threats are skirmishers, which are small units, meaning they run fast, I think. And they can outflank us if they can. They can literally outflank us, which is a problem we are having right now. So now let's go. Right, I'm trying to make a front line, which my units are for some reason not doing well with. Why are you retreating? You still have a top. What? Right now we have supplies, which are very important because supplies can be used for our cannons, which we really want. And also, we are trying to stop the Confederates, which the Confederates hold. I also tried to, I did manage to stop Confederate artillery for a while, but now I have to retreat because now I'm going to support the southern flank because I really don't want the enemy to win because it's war. Okay, it's war. So northern flank. So I'm gonna guard. I'm gonna send. I'm gonna send in David to stop the enemy advance there. David, come on. There we go. David's not going to do that. We're gonna send in these two. Wait a minute. There's 2 Davids and 2 Gambles. Cloning? Hey, there's 4 Gambles. Oh wait, I think that's not the name of the person. It would be really funny if it was. It's like cloning, and there's the American Civil War. I'm gonna guard the southern flank, which I really need to defend because I don't want the enemy to enter and block our units. So I'll just. So yeah.
Huwag mo nang pakainin, anak.
So I'm just gonna spread out our unit really thin. Am I right, brothers? Just really thin. That's a thin boy. Now let's continue with the battle. Where's 8,000? Oh, come on, you can do this. We are getting. Oh my gosh! Goshy, gosh. Oh no, our southern reinforcements are gonna get chokeslammed. And even our colonel got shot! Come on, how can this get even worse? I think this can get worse. You know what, we're gonna guard in our flank. That's the most thing that we need to protect. Let's send in our south unit. Yeah, this guy's not able to do anything. We're gonna send in this guy to guard the southern flank. Really, we're gonna extend these guys. Because I plan to, encircle them. Which I bet it's not gonna work at all. Because right now, well, one, even though they may look like they're focusing on here. Oh my god! They just crushed my reinforcements! And in the screen. There we go. They just crushed my reinforcements. Jeez. I need to send in the gamble units. Gambling. Okay, I'll send you here. Let's grab in these David and Gamble to do a little trolling, am I right, gamers? We're gonna do their first artillery charge. Let's go. We're right now. Oh gosh. Forward march. I really want to send these three battalions to help out in the main front, but I need to stop the enemy advance. You know what? I can actually do that. I'm gonna send in you to actually guard this instead. No, that's stupid. I remember I'll send them help later in case they really need it. They really need it. The Confederate boys are running. Hey, yo, you gotta run, my dudes. No! That's not what I meant. Charge 'em, boys! Charge 'em. Charge. Gotta charge. Elements of the second parts march into battle, witches. Hogchamp. It's just. Damn. Oh, come on. You know you didn't have to do that. You know you're not gonna get any help, bro. So, now we got like more mortars, artillery. I'm tested for Cemetery Hill, which I think is this. No, actually this. We somehow own Cemetery Hill. What? How do we own Cemetery Hill? No, that's Cemetery Hill. Oh, dang. I was confused. I thought... But still, why do I own that? Why? Oh no, I really need to guard that. Oh my. Yokai watch. Jeez. We are mowing them down, actually. Oh no, oh my yokai. Remember that show? Yeah, baby. So the situation kinda got worse, I guess. Now they're trying to flank through. I think they're trying to, yeah, they're definitely trying to flank us. They're definitely going to flank us. They are going to crush our souls if they dare cross through that. They are going to crush us. There's three battalions. There's literally 3 battalions here. I'm not able to do that. I need to guard my units here. I think now the only threats that happen, I think I can let Smith go to battle. Smith needs to. Oh, we crushed them. Oh right, forgot our units are getting completely covered by the trees. I think they're scattered. I think we just need to just hold on for just. Oh 7,000 men about to choke some our own boys.
Kaya
Okay.
lulutuin mo.
Oh dear snakes, 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 oh dear snakes. Just focus on that guy.
Dalawang linggo nga sa
That's all we need to do. We just need to focus on the main guy.
Yun ang tanggalin sa freezer.
Oo, sinabi ko naman, huwag tatanggalin sa freezer. Kaya
Oh,
nga,
come on!
Plastic.
Why did you do this that?
Saka ba kasi
Keep
bigla nilang
capturing all the hills. They just love hills.
Sabay dinipros ng
These darn confederates.
Sira yun.
kalasong pa tayo.
Oh, come on! The Confederates own almost everything now.
Hindi, yun yung sinasabi ko sa
Oh,
dati,
gosh.
Pag ganun kayo, para pag
Whew,
pag
sheesh.
dinidipros
Sheesh
ng
Louise.
panindan
I'm gonna risk it. I'm going to switch these guys up to stop this guy. And I'm gonna instantly switch these guys with aims. So the enemy don't, so they can, I think they're just aiming up. I think they just are now going to flank up. Oh my gosh, they are going to flank up. Oh no. I have two choices. I either retreat and make my front through the river line, which is very long, or either I hold on, which I want to hold on, but
Hold on, baby.
but I really doubt that I'm gonna win this. We are not winning this. The Confederates are now pushing through. We are dead. Come on, boys! We're gonna charge them, boys. Charge. Charge?
Oh, ano yun? Up yun.
They're not charging. I expected them to charge.
Ay, papasok ka. Sarado
Fire!
na kasi yun eh, no? Yung pag
Retreat! I don't want any combat. I'll be crushed them so much that they have to retreat. If Gilsa manages to... Okay, this is not good. This is not good. So, the only good thing here is that now the Confederates have switched their focus on combat. So now, I don't want to switch up my units here, but since now the Confederates are kind of gone, I'm gonna switch up these guys. I'm going to put these guys to stop the enemy advance from here. But this guy stays. And also I need to switch up this guy again. Just kidding. I need to actually switch him up because I'm trying to stop. Oh my god. Okay. You know that you stay here. You fight here because wait for your reinforcements and they'll be dead in a second. Jeez Louise Lemon Squeezies, how are we winning? We managed to crush their units, but now our skirmishers are just dying right now. They are just getting murdered upon. Somehow the skirmisher unit is just surviving this melee attack. There's so much of them! Okay, we managed to take them out. Oh, we're just massacring them. Oh jeez, I am terrified what's gonna happen. Oh, come on! We gotta stop these guys. Where's the other one? Where is the other unit? Where? Okay, you know what? You go here and I will make you capture this hill. So you go capture that hill and also... Pretty much, I don't know how to explain this anymore. We are just screwed to the next level. We are just... Hey, yo, we took Cemetery Hill though. That's pretty nice. Let's go, baby. It's almost the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, but at least we get those. So, wait for the next video, which will